Good morning, YouTube family. Let's go out on my backyard and see all the snow. This is my backyard currently. Look at the trees. Look how much snow I came. Oh my god, look at my neighbor thing. Now let's look how much snow I came. That much snow, like this much snow. Currently out here. This is crazy. To go in the house so I won't get sick. Nipsey's right here. Let me see. This is her new shirt we got her. It says nope. You can't go out there, mama. Nipsey, no. What did I say? No. Nipsey. Let's go, Nipsey. Nipsey. Come on. Come on. Oh, God. Come on, Nipsey. It's like inches of snow. No. Wait. Come on. Oh, my God. Bro, that shit we go through. Go upstairs. Fucking slippers. Fucking dumbass dog. Get your ass in the house, bitch. Alright, y'all, I can show y'all my car from here. See my car? Look how much snow's on top of my car. That is more than an inch worth of snow. Anyway, going right here. I mean, the road's over there. The main road is clear. But look at the fucking car. That is too much motherfucking snow. And it's still going. The porch, thank God, the porch not covered. But